Hello everyone. Hi Aries. This is the reading for you and this is December mid-month reading and general reading may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So Aries, let's see your messages and what's going on in your relationship, in your life. Aries. Wow. What's going? I think Aries, you stand by your power. Definitely. Recently, you overcome all your pain because the sun with 9 of Pentacles, it's you. Yeah. See, this is very, very positive energy. Definitely, you are very abundant. You started something new in career wise and finances wise, and definitely, you reached your goal. And if not, definitely, you will be reaching your goal in near future because 9 of Pentacles with Sun card. For some, it is your recent past also. Definitely, you recently achieved something in your life. You are very, very happy for that achievement. Okay. Because it is independent. You are no more dependent on anyone, either financially or emotionally. Wow. See this happiness. You are very happy. But one person is not happy in this connection. I think it could be your person. Or for some, in past, you be like this. Now you overcome this pain. Now you stand by your power. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Okay, for some it could be you, but you overcome and you become like this. Now you are very happy. For some it could be your person. Okay, I think there is no contact between both of you for some, what I am seeing here. And this could be long distance relationship also. 6 of Swords with the Devil and the Queen of Swords, King of Swords, sorry. So I think you are moving towards positiveness and also towards positive changes in your life, what I'm seeing here, Aries. And but your person's obsessed with you. Definitely your person could be Capricorn also, but you are very honest and straightforward person in this connection. You always speaks truth. Definitely you always gives 100% in this connection, Aries. But your person not. And I think your person may be stuck right now. They are unable to make any move. That's why they are feeling very, very sad. Okay, they are not sleeping well. Especially at night times, they are thinking about you a lot. They're losing their nights over you, Aries. I think you also invested in this connection. 7 of Pentacles. You are waiting for results for some. For some, you already something you invested in career. Definitely, you already achieved your goal. 9 of Pentacles. Yeah. And Emperor, yeah, you become like this. You are like super stable. But now your person realizing your worth. If you are in separation, definitely they losing their nights over you. And if you are not in separation, but there is no moment. What I'm getting here, but because you one person in this connection, 8 of Swords and 9 of Swords, definitely they are literally stuck. I think they are undergoing some pain. Your person, I am getting your person undergoing something in their life. They're feeling stuck. For some, your person stuck on you. Okay, your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy here, guys. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth energy. Yeah, but you are super stable. Definitely you are like this. But your person feeling sad, definitely. And this could be long distance relationship. Some communication is also going to be happen between both of you because 6 of Swords and King of Swords, definitely you want to give clarity to your person. And let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Aries, your person current feelings and then near future action. Two of Cups, 9 of Swords. I already told you your person feeling very, very sad. And their action also we will see. Then I will explain what their then future actions. 5 of Swords. Okay, 6 of Swords 2 times. 3 of Cups. Okay. Yeah, they're feeling that you are their soulmate. Definitely both could be soulmates also. Two of cups is here. I think you also have emotions for your person. You also love your person. There is love between both of you, Aries. And nine of swords, definitely they're missing you madly, and they are missing you so much right now. And princess of swords, definitely they are spying on you on social media, definitely some spying, and they want to communicate. Definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Yeah, their feelings towards you, like they are feeling that you are soulmate, they are their soulmate. And what are their actions going to be? Five of swords with six of swords and three of cups. Definitely there are some misunderstandings, some issues going between both of you still, but your person want to fix those misunderstandings between both of you. Six of swords, yeah, they want to move towards calm water, these situations to calm waters. And three of cups, definitely they want reconciliation with you, and they want celebration with you. Yeah, your person want reconciliation, they want you back. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, Aries, your person want to take this relationship to next level. I think a lot of air energy guys here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You or your person could be, but lot of air energy. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles, Hierophant, Page of Wands, Temperance. Yeah, this time your person is waiting for the right time to come towards you. Definitely, I think I am seeing some potential in this connection. Definitely this is very strong connection, because Eight of Pentacles, definitely your person want to work on this relationship. In past, maybe they didn't, but now they want to work on this relationship. And some communication. Page of Wands, one person may be younger than the other person in this connection. And Hierophant, some commitment. Definitely they want to offer long-term commitment to you if you are waiting for that, Aries. And Temperance, one person in this connection could be Sagittarius also. Definitely I think you both have to be patient. Patience is the key here. Definitely Aries, long-term commitment is coming towards you. Your person want to work on this relationship, and they want to invest. Yeah, they want to commit to you. Hierophant means marriage, commitment. Yeah, they want to marry you. If you are in relationship, they want to take that to next level, Aries. Yeah, I am seeing very positive cards in future. I think outcome, definitely this is very positive outcome. For some reconciliation, for some it going to be next level marriage proposals, but patience is the key here. Okay, so you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or especially Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy. Seven of Cups, Aries, and Nine of Wands, Seven of Wands, and Knight of Wands. Yeah, your person is very passionate about you. They are coming back very passionately. There is a lot of passion between both of you. Seven of Wands. Yeah, you are very defensive right now, and definitely you are working on yourself. You are working on your career. You stand by your power. For some you don't, for some you won't give up on your person on this connection. For some you are defensive, but you want to see how your person will approach you, how they will make move towards you. That's why you're feeling like guarded. You only just seeing what your person will take, will they take action towards you. You are just observing, you are protecting your heart. This time your person have to take action towards you, that you are thinking. Yeah, Seven of Cups, there is a lot of confusion in your mind right now, because your person stuck right now, they are undergoing some pain, definitely, and you are getting a lot of confusion that what your person going to do, will they make move or not. That is a type of confusion. For some you have a lot of option in career wise. Definitely you are now growing in career wise, you are getting a lot of opportunities. So take what resonate and leave the rest. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. A lot of fire energies here. So let's see your person overall energy. Aries, Eight of Cups, Ten of Cups, Five of Pentacles. Yeah, I already told you your person undergoing lot of pain. Definitely they are suffering in silence. Patience is the key. And yeah, they're suffering in silence. Five of Pentacles, cold showering. Yeah, I think they may be walked away from your connection, or you may be walked away. Definitely someone is walked away in this connection. If they did it, definitely they are feeling regret for that. If you did it, definitely they want you back and they want to offer this 10 of cups happiness to you. Aries, yeah, they are suffering in silence. I think patience is the key because temperance is here. Yeah, your person really want to work on this relationship. This time they are sincere. What I am getting, they're sincere. Now they are very sincere. That message I am getting. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.